Hi everyone, I'm Shikha Dua. I own this brand called Beauty Station. I'm a makeup artist and an educator, and I'm doing this 21-day CTM skin challenge with all of you. So, the very first step of my CTM is called cleansing, second is called toning, and third is called moisturizing. Today I've come up with a very exciting and refreshing mask, which is musk melon mask. I have shared the recipe with all of you yesterday only, so that you can prepare it and we should do it together. So let's get started. I've taken out the seeds of musk melon and then I've grinded them in my grinder, and it's really good for our skin. इनके लिए आप आगे चल के देखेंगे, मैं इसके बेनिफिट्स के बारे में भी आपको बताऊंगी. I've also added little bit of olive oil into my particular face pack because I have normal to dry skin, and I've also suggested you guys to add a little bit of astringent if you have normal to oily skin. If you don't have astringent at your home, you can also add rose water. This pack is very good. It's very beneficial for our skin, whether you have normal to dry skin or normal to oily skin. I'll be talking about the benefits of this particular mask later on. So this muskmelon mask will also act like a scrub, you can say, for your face, but it will be a very mild scrub to remove your dead skin. And you should also add muskmelon in your diet. It's so refreshing. It's so good for your immune system. It treats so many problems, and it will definitely benefit your skin as well. So whenever you eat muskmelon, don't throw away the seeds. We have made this mask with the seeds and the other ingredients as well. So I hope so that you all have prepared that paste. Let's not make boring and let's get started. The very first step of my CTM is called cleansing, second is called toning, and third is called moisturizing. I'm using Kiehl's face wash, which says cucumber herbal conditioning cleanser, and this is good for normal to dry skin. I've taken out my face wash. Look at the quantity. So I'll be, you know what happens that I assume, because so many of you have joined from the very first day, and I always assume, or I go in assumption that you all know how to do CTM. So guys, please bear with me. I'm explaining to so many people who have joined just today. It's their first day. I'm explaining to them because they don't know how to do basic cleansing. So all of you, please listen to me carefully. I know many of you will be thinking that Shikha, we know how to do, face wash now. It's our day 7. But guys, there are so many people who have just joined me for the very first day. It's their first day of CTM 21 days skin challenge. So let me explain them at least. I've taken my face wash and I've rubbed in between my hands. I've taken a little bit of water as well. And now I'll be massaging it all over my face. So have a look, guys. My skin is very dry and sensitive. I've taken water and now I've taken water and now I'm massaging all over my face. Look at my movements. I'm using my middle and my ring finger and doing circular movements. Never forget your neck. Never ever. Look at it. Look at the movements. Do with me side by side. Follow my steps. My face wash doesn't give me that much of foam on my face, but it's a very good product. I've taken again a little bit of water and I'm massaging my face again. After this, I'll be taking my scrubber. It is called skin scrubber. Have a look, guys. It won't hurt me. Don't worry. Even if you will be using this particular product, it won't hurt you. Okay, I'm putting rose water on my face. You can also take a spray bottle and you can spray normal water on your face. Also spray water on your face. I sprayed rose water on my face because my face was dry, and this particular product will not work on dry skin. It needs to have some kind of lubrication, some kind of little bit running product, then only it works on your skin. It will give you this kind of electric vibrations going on because it has ultrasonic current is there in this product. Please don't go close to your under eye area. Can you see? Dead skin is you can see my dead skin. I'll show you once again. Pay attention now. It's a fabulous tool. My skin is very sensitive, and I hope so that you all can see that I have not even developed any kind of rash. I have to take a little bit water again. So I'm done. Now I'm going to wash my face. I've washed my face, and I normally don't use towel. I don't prefer using towel because the people who are having normal to dry skin or very sensitive skin, they can develop a rash with towels. So I prefer using normal tissue on my skin. You can use towel. It's not that you can't use towel, but I don't use towel too much on my skin. I normally use face tissue. Always dab your skin. Never ever pull your skin like this. Use gentle hands. Never ever do it in a hurry. Take your time. You can look at my skin. It's all clean. Look at my nose. I have not applied anything and it's shining. After this, I'll be using my toner or rose water. I'm using this product. Whatever toner you have, you can use that. I'll be not using any cotton pads or any cotton ball on my face today. I'll be directly spraying it on my face, and then I'll allow the product to dry on its own. I've done around 7 to 10 pumps because I love this rose water. So it's really nice. It's really refreshing. You should always use toner because, you know, sometimes whenever you are using your face wash, after even washing your product, it stays, you know, somewhere or the other, it stays in your pores. So your skin can't breathe properly. If you'll use toner, it can remove the dirt from your pores, whatever is left behind, what your cleanser can't, so that your skin can breathe. So you should never ever skip a toner. I've left my toner for good 1 or 2 minutes and it's absolutely dried now. You can see the toner on my skin. My skin has absorbed it very nicely. This is my mask, my Musk Melon Refreshing Mask. So let's apply it together. You can if you don't have this particular brush at home, you can also use your fingers. Always apply the mask in upward movements like this. I've used muskmelon seeds, and you know, it's like a scrub cum mask for me. It has scrubbing properties into it. It will remove dead cells from my skin, and side by side, it's very moisturizing. It's very hydrating. I have normal to dry skin, so I've also added olive oil into it so that I should not feel, you know, stretch after I wash this pack off. Never ever apply any pack very close to your under eye area or to your eyelid area. Above your eyes, you can also say. And then whenever you are applying it to your forehead, use these movements. Take it up, use in upward movements, apply your mask in upward movements, and then apply it on the sideways. अपने पैक को आप कभी भी नेक पे लगाना ना भूलिए. हमेशा अपनी नेक को भी आप ध्यान देंगे फेस के साथ साथ. इस तरीके से ऊपर की तरफ. Never ever forget to apply your face mask to your neck as well. I know कई लोग आज पहली बार मेरा ये सेशन अटेंड कर रहे हैं. उनको मैं जरूर बताना चाहूंगी कि आप अपनी नेक को कभी भी अवॉइड ना करें guys, and especially to your neckline. And use these kind of strokes, upward strokes, and then just recheck it and apply your face pack nicely on your full face. अगर आपने कहीं गलती से लगाना छोड़ दिया है दोबारा से चेक करिए एंड उसको रीअप्लाई भी कर सकते हैं। एंड अगर आप थोड़ा सा आईज के पास चले गए हैं बाय मिस्टेक तो उसको प्लीज क्लीन कर लीजिए, because our under eye area is always dry, so we should never apply any pack because packs are drying normally and they will make our under eye area more dry. So never ever apply your face pack on your dark circle area or on your eyelid area. So my pack is done. I've applied it. I guess I've left my upper lip area. So my pack is done. Now I leave it for good 5 to 7 minutes. I don't allow my packs to be dry 100% because it makes my skin more dry. I always remove my packs when they are 50 to 60% dry, and that really gives me a moisturizing effect. Of course, you'll be getting benefits out of it. It's not that it's a myth that make your packs dry completely 100% and then only you'll be getting benefits out of it. It's not at all like that. So if you are applying your mask with me daily, just leave your pack for good 5 to 7 minutes and then wash it off. So let's talk about this muskmelon mask. Muskmelon mask is very refreshing, especially in this summertime. It has vitamin A, B and C. It's really gonna make your skin very soft and healthy. It has whole lot of nutrients that will definitely give you benefit. Of course, it will be giving you even skin, it will be giving you moisturizing effect, and it will make your skin soft, very supple and healthy, and you will get that perfect glow. So never ever avoid this mask, especially in this summertime. It's a very refreshing mask. Don't avoid it. So my pack is done. It's already been 5 to 6 minutes now. I'm going to wash my face pack and I'll show you how my skin is looking after this pack. I'm going to wash my pack now. So I've washed my face and I'm already feeling, while I was washing my face, I was already feeling that my skin is so soft and so supple, I can't even tell you. I hope so when after this face pack you'll feel the same what I am feeling right now. I've taken my tissue and just dabbing the extra water on my face. I have not taken face towel, but of course you can. I've just stained my dress. So yeah, I'm done. You can see my skin now. Look at the tip of my nose. Can you see that? It's really soft. It's really soft. I'm loving this muskmelon mask. It was so refreshing, so good. It's really nice. It's really an innovative pack. I have tried today for the very first time in my life. Trust me, it's really good. Now I'm applying my Ambrolise cream. It's a very good moisturizer for normal to dry skin. If you have normal to oily skin, you can apply moisturizer. Please don't skip moisturizer. It's really important to hydrate your skin. If you have normal to oily skin or combination skin, please apply water-based moisturizer. I've taken this much of moisturizer. Now I'm warming the product in between my hands. So that product should be warm. And now I'm massaging the moisturizer on my face. Always use upward movements, whether you are doing a cleanser or you are applying your facial oil or moisturizer, and then make that product and penetrate your moisturizer in your skin. Don't leave it on just on the surface of your skin. You should feel that your moisturizer has penetrated your skin properly. I feel that I should take a little bit of moisturizer again. And for my neck, now I'm rubbing the product in between my hands so that it should warm up. And then I'm applying my product in upward movements. Don't forget your neckline. And I am done. So I'll show you my skin. So you can see my skin. My skin is normal to dry and it's very sensitive. Although this pack was made up of muskmelon seeds, which has scrubbing properties into it. Along with it, it's very hydrating. It's very soothing to our skin. and it has vitamin A, B, and C into it. It will make your skin soft, supple, and very baby soft, I should say. So it's really refreshing mask, especially in this summer. So do it, and do let me know after doing this mask and moisturizer, how did you feel, how your skin is feeling. So after doing my moisturizer, I want to show you one more product. This is called Kiehl's Creamy Eye Treatment with Avocado. You should never ever avoid your eye area. You should never ever avoid your under eye area because it's really dry. I'm taking out my Kiehl cream and applying with my ring finger, just putting few dots, and I'm also applying my Kiehl's cream on my eyelid area, and then I'm only using my ring finger and patting the product so that it should penetrate into my skin. Our under eye area is very dry, so we should always moisturize it. We should always hydrate it. You can also use under eye oils. There are a whole lot of oils in the market for your under eye area. I prefer Milagro under eye oil. I also prefer one more oil, which is YBP argan oil for your under eye area. It comes in a roll-on bottle. If it will be possible for me, I'll show you in my next video about that particular product. But in the meanwhile, you should always apply under eye cream, whatever you have with you, and I'm done. So along with my face, my under eye area is also feeling hydrated. I've applied my cream and I have penetrated the product with the help of my ring finger. So after using this muskmelon, I really feel that my skin is feeling so soft, so supple, because it has scrubbing properties into it. It's very hydrating, it's very moisturizing for your skin. So I hope so that the way I am feeling right now, you will definitely feel the same after you apply this mask, and you will be so happy, your skin will be so happy. If you like this video, do not forget to hit the like button. Do subscribe to my channel, and one more thing, whatever queries in your mind, do comment in the comment section so that I can reply, my team can reply to you, whatever your query is. And do not forget to press the bell icon so that you all should be notified whenever my next video is up, and you should not miss it. And you can share this video to your friends, to your all school friends, college friends, family, whosoever you want. You can share this video as much as you can so that everybody should be benefited out of this video. Let's do it together. Let's make it fun. 21 days skincare CTM challenge. Bye. Take care. Have a nice day.